We're going to draw some construction elements starting with a wall. Our wall is going to be 5.5 inch insulation with OSB and gypsum. It's going to be hatched. We're placing studs in the exterior of the wall, and you can see where we just changed the bottom plate, and you can change the top plate or the header. We're drawing the exterior wall as a polygon, which we just defined. We do this by hitting the space bar and then hitting return for DX and our DY. Once we've lined the walls, we can just snap it to grid as we're doing right now. We can zoom in on it and we see the studs on the exterior of the wall, and we see the insulation and where we place the gypsum on the end of the wall. We just selected a reference point and we're placing a window we just selected from a catalog, placing it 5 feet from a reference point. We're doing that again for the bottom of the wall. Now we're selecting a construction line, and we want to place a window parallel to the windows we just drew. So we select the window and we snap it right to the construction line. And now we're going to zoom out and draw a door. It's going to be a double door, and we're just placing on the exterior of the wall. We go to 3D and we can now see what we just drew in 3D. We want to turn off the framing of the ceiling, so we unclick that from the wood construction, and now we see kind of an empty room. It's kind of a big room. We click on the window, and now we want to draw our own type of window. So from the property construction unit and additional editing, we're going to draw an arched window, and then we select the points we want and we click OK. We go back to our construction mode and we're going to draw a virtual wall, which is acts as a hidden wall. It separates rooms, but it's not a physical wall. So we're going to place some materials on the floor, and we're going to see that separation. So we placed a hardwood floor and kind of a kitchen floor, and we saw that separation. Now we're going to draw a staircase, and we're going to draw an L staircase. You can draw a U and a common or various any shapes, but here we use the construction line to draw the points for our staircase, and it's going to be an L one. So we see the heavy supports. We see the support with a wall underneath, and we can change the railing as ballast or just rails, and we show the framing, and you can see where the headers are with the door and the windows. And now we're going to show the ceiling framing. So hopefully this shows the construction elements for CasCADos. Thank you.